Well, hi friends, Anmol Samsuhang here, and welcome back to ARS Biologicals. You all must be well and good. So today, what I've got in my hand is actually some live animals or live organisms inside it. So these are dog fleas, and they are pretty much small. So I'm going to observe this under the microscope. So let's get started. Well, I have caught two fleas from a dog from my native area, and you all must be wondering it's alive or dead. I say that these organisms are alive right now also. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some microscope slides. So okay, I'm taking two slides this time because I am placing one slide on top of another just like this and placing the specimen over here, compressing the specimen with two slides. This will actually not kill those fleas, but yes, they will kind of be in trouble. So what I'm going to do is, so I'm going to open this container. Actually this is a container of my microscope lens actually. So I'm going to open it. There are two fleas, so I have to be careful because they can jump. Yes, they can jump very in a very powerful strength. They can jump 100 times far of their size, maybe 3 to 6 inch. They can jump up to 3 to 6 inch. Oh, by the way, I haven't told you the scientific name. So the scientific name of this organism is ctenochephalides canis. So yes, you can see that it has the species name canis because it kind of looks like dog, and it's also commonly found in dogs and cats. Yes, but we are wondering that how these organisms live in dogs. Some of you will wonder. In the dog furs, they live and survive in the dog fur, eating, or we can say sucking, the blood of the organism or the host. So it is an parasite. It is an ectoparasite, which means it is found in externally, not internally. So let's stop the talk. Okay, I'll not clip it because those organisms will die. Okay, I'm turning on the light. Okay, I'm focusing it. Oh, they are kind of moving. Okay friends, let's see these organisms. Okay friends, you can see it. So friends, our specimen is looking great. So you can also see in the screen also, it looks little bit scary, this ctenochephalides canis. So we can say simply dog fleas are kind of cool organisms. So talking about their size, they are about 2 to 3 nanometers in size. Yes, nanometers. But some we can say the young ones or the babies of these organisms can also be sometimes 1 nanometer. So friends, I previously told you about they can jump up to 3 inches or 6 inches, and it is 100 times more of its body length. So friends, you can also see the hair structures present on it. The hairs are attached, or we can say they are together with that organism. So friends, more or less this organism or this specimen is good to observe. Well friends, this was kind of little bit scary also and bit interesting also. So this specimen is alive right now also. I'm not going to kill it. So keep learning. This much for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.